What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the vlog. Today we got a good video going on. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe because we got a lot of content going on for the TSX. If you've been here and you're back, welcome back. As I promised you guys, the Aspec lip was on the way. It is here. There was some trouble. They had to ship two because the first one got lost, but you know, the wait is over, and let me just show you guys. Here we have the Aspec lip. It is unpainted, and then we also have the splitter for the Subaru, which fits the Aspec pretty well, as you can see here. Let me just put it up on the bed really quick and show you how it looks. Alright guys, so here's the lip. Both lips put together. I think it looks cool. It has that splitter look. Just debating whether or not if I'll actually put this on the car, because since the car is so low, I might just end up breaking it. So I guess let me know in the comments if you guys think I should add it, or if not, you know, I won't add it. But we're gonna go get this installed first, and then I'll see if maybe we can try to mock the lip up as well. Yeah, let's put the lip on the car and see how it looks. Alright guys, so we're here with the car. Let me just show you guys real quick. About to put this right now. I did notice this. I guess it came cracked, or it cracked on the way. I'm not 100% sure, so I gotta be real careful here. I think I'm gonna have to just put something under here to stick it together. I'm not sure. And a little update on the car. It is overheating. So I gotta figure out if the fan is turning on or if the water pump is going. But yeah, I just gotta diagnose it. We'll probably check it out right after we install the lip. But yeah, let's get this started and see how the car looks right after. Alright guys, so I got it mocked up now. So what I see is, in order to fit the bumper, in order to fit the lip to the bumper, I think we have to remove this cover here and then slip the lip onto the bumper itself. Okay, the cover's out, and now you just got to put some 3M tape along the corners, the edges, to have it sit flush, and then we can put this back. Alright guys, so I just completed putting the lip on. I messed up a little bit with the 3M tape, so I have to go to AutoZone to get a roll and redo it. But let me just show you guys how it looks. So right here I messed up. I put the 3M higher than the mounting points on the actual lip, so I have to take this one out and put it a little lower, and then be able to put it back in. But it should sit flush once it is held on by the 3M. So yeah, I'm gonna swing by AutoZone and see if I can get some adhesive tape and try to get that fixed. But other than that, I think it looks really good. Also, if I run the other lip, it's gonna be way too low, I think. So it'll make the car look even lower. So I might not run that. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. Should I just throw it on or should I just not? If I don't use it, I'm gonna just ship it over to my friend Kevin, since he has a Subaru, and it'll fit his car a lot better. I haven't been mentioning it on my previous videos, but I am doing a giveaway. I'm close to reaching 300 subscribers. Once I hit 500 subscribers, I'm gonna do a giveaway. It's gonna be a spoon shift knob, a 6-speed shift knob. Thank you for everyone who subscribed. I really appreciate it. All the comments, all the likes. It really helps with the channel. It also motivates me to want to make more videos. Yeah, I just wanted to say that, you know, thank you for everything. And let's continue with the video. So it's been a few days since we installed the lip, and I went ahead and slapped on the Subaru one, and let me know what you guys think. The car is literally like, say like 2.5 or 2 fingers. It's extremely low, and this is gonna get messed up. What do you guys think of the look? Should I keep it, leave it on till it breaks, or should I give it to my friend Kevin, which he has a Subaru, which this is meant for? I like it because it has that splitter look right here with the wing. So yeah guys, I did order the paint, so we're gonna paint match the lip. Yeah, just be on the lookout for that. I'm gonna leave the video off there. Comment, subscribe to the channel, you know, all that good stuff. And I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.